Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're making lemon cream pie and it is absolutely delicious. So make sure that you subscribe, like, and share the video with all of your friends. And I'm Jeanette. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to make the pie, the ingredients you need, and at the end of the video, you're going to see a recipe for it. So excited to share with you guys this wonderful, tasty, creamy pie that you're really going to impress all your friends and family with. And off we go.
You're going to start off with your biscotti cookies, your graham crackers. We're going to add those to our food processor. Going to whirl those up real good. We want to make sure that all the crumbs are incorporated with each other. Usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes to make sure that the chunks are all gone. Once we're done with this, we're going to go ahead and add our butter and our sugar. The butter can be all added at one time. We're going to whirl that up and make sure that it's all incorporated real nice. The batter is a little bit, or the crumb crust is a little bit wet, and that's because we're going to bake this crust. We're going to bake this crust at 400 degrees. Here we're going to start off making our sauce. This is our thickening sauce. Add the cornstarch to the cold milk. Slowly cook it right now at a nice even pace over medium heat, gradually turning up the heat until it becomes nice and thick. Constantly stir this because we want to make sure it doesn't burn. Gonna zest some lemon. I'm using a large lemon here. It does produce more juice for us because we're gonna need the lemon juice for the rest. Now we've got our ingredients. We got sugar, our cream, the lemon zest, sour cream, lemon juice, and our 3 separated eggs. We've also got some cubed up butter. Butter tends to break down a little bit easier when it's cubed up. Now in here is the cornstarch mixture. It's been cooled, so we want to make sure that that's nice and blended before we start adding the ingredients for the pie filling. We're going to do butter first. Add the butter in, make sure that's all well incorporated. I usually mix it on medium or so for about a minute or 2, adding in the sugar all at once, and again mixing again for about a minute or 2. We want to make sure there's no clumps. Gonna add the cream as well as the lemon zest went in. Get that all incorporated. Sour cream goes in next. So try to stick to getting all the fat ingredients in first. It makes for a nice thick mixture. As you can see, it's quite thick. So we want to scrape down our bowl. Make sure that everything is not lumpy. Gonna mix it on high now. Gradually add in your lemon juice. We don't want the mixture to get too runny too fast. So we're gonna add in our eggs one at a time. Those are just the yolks. I've already separated those. So we're gonna add the egg yolks in one at a time into the filling. Now here's where we're gonna mix it on high for about a minute or 2. I've got my filling all complete. This is optional. I do like to add a little bit of yellow food dye in there. The food coloring tends to bring out the yellow in the batter. If not, it's just a pale color. It's not a big difference. I've added that to our baked shell. And again, now we're gonna cook it. Once it comes out, we're gonna chill it in the fridge, and this is when we start to give it the final touches on our topping. And we have our wonderful, yummy lemon cream pie ready for everyone to enjoy. Thank you for watching my video, and everybody have a wonderful day.